What's up everybody, MTmotoRIDER here, and I had an absolute blast riding this past spring and summer. So I had so much fun this past riding season riding the MT-09. I got it back in May and I have rode the complete crap out of it. I'm still riding, of course, in the wintertime, but it's not as frequent and usually by myself because not everybody wants to ride in the cold. Riding this past spring summer has been awesome. I started the Riding with Friends series on my channel. I met a lot of awesome people, made a lot of new riding friends, and it's just been so much fun. So I wanted to do kind of a recap of this riding season, so let's check it out. I know I always just hold everybody up and then we have to ride behind traffic. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's alright. I'm gonna go like slow. Oh my god, here comes more fucking cars. Fuck.
Dang, man. Ever since Tate got a knee down, now he hates traffic even more.
I know.
I'm gonna speed up and set the high score right here, guys. Yeah, we know you're a fucking street Rossi, whatever.
Oh, fuck you, bitch. You're a little road runner up there. There's a pretty sharp turn. Somebody flipped a Jeep with me in the back of it right here. Yeah, I know. You've told me like 47 times. I was telling Travis. Thanks, asshole.
Jason does not want to hear your fucking Jeep story again.
He didn't, man. He's so tired of my shit.
Yeah.
He's like, dude, we need a photographer up here. Everybody will pay for the pictures.
That's you, buddy.
My motocross riding position was good.
Oh yeah.
I could smell your shoe when you done that. Really? I swear. I like burnt rubber.
Yes, you did. Damn, f***ing A.
Goddamn 747.
Damn, that was
the shit out of me. There you go. You got it down.
yeah, I got a knee down.
I did it. Yeah. Oh, that's raining harder, man. What the fuck is Jason doing? Turn around, god damn it. Yeah, I want to turn the fuck around. Why the fuck is he still going forward? Mist all over me. Yeah, me too. This isn't fun. Nope. We should just head back.
I'm having a blast, guys.
Shut up, Travis.
guys enjoyed that recap of my riding season. Like I said, I had so much fun. Can't wait to do it again next year. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.